Evangelista, Pastor Carrera, Pastor Wonder, for two, yes sir, Lagis, Montera for two. Labis, pass to Montera for two. Mr. Conte. Conte, pass to Evangelista. Foul, out of bounds by Mr. Conte. Montera to Labis for two. Foul by Mr. Conte. Conte, pass to Evangelista. Intercepted by Mr. Montera to Labis for two. Yes sir. One point by Mr. Labis. Carrera. No coach. Pass to Evangelista. What a shot by Mr. Evangelista. Score 1-all. 2 points. Evangelista what a pass to Labis. Labis. Pass to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rebound by Mr. Reporte. Nagkapasahan, pass to Carrera, quick, and shoot, no good, rebound by Mr. Labis. Labis, pass to Montera, for two, quick, drive, no good, rebound by Mr. Reporte. Reporte, to Carrera, no post to Mr. Reporte, foul, blocking foul by Mr. Navarro. Time, last 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Carrera. Evangelista, tapo by Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista, Evangelista. Score 3-1, favor A. Montera. Score 3-2, favor Team C. Evangelista. Reporte, speed, and shoot. Yes, sir. Score 3-all. Pass to Labis. What a shot. Carrera. Dalawa sa bola. Intercepted out. Tuwa ni Evangelista. 2 seconds pa wala sa Evangelista. Reporte. Sad. Labis. Okay, rebound by Mr. Carrera. Carrera. For 2. Yes, sir. By Mr. Carrera. Score 5-2 in favor of Team Montera. For 2. Yes, sir. 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Carrera. Score 5-1. Carrera drives, yes sir, by Mr. Carrera. Montera for 2. Reporte, yes sir, countered by Mr. Conte. Evangelista. Mali. Bawas. Score 7-5 in favor of Team A. Reporte, yes sir. 8-5, Labis. Pass to Navarro. Drive, pin, shoot, no good. Ipa by Reporte. Again by Reporte, no good. Reporte again. Rebound by Mr. Navarro. Montera, quick, spin. Montera, no good. Rebound by Mr. Carrera. Last 6 minutes and 55 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4-1. Mr. Carrera. Score 9-5 in favor of Team A. Montera. Pass to Mr. Navarro. To Labis. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Shot clock. Time out. Ang musabog ang time out, please. Doon sa table kasi hindi matunggan. Team A. Inbound by Mr. Carrera. Carrera. Dribbles the ball. Looking for his companion pass to Mr. Medina. Intercepted. Blocked by 2. 1. Time. Yes, sir. Counted by Mr. Evangelista. Score 10-5. Montera for 2. No good. Rebound by Mr. Evangelista. 5 intercepted by Mr. Labis. Pass to Montera for 2. No good. Pass or what a pass. Yes, sir. That's 6 minutes. Correct. Dapat gawas ground. Mula sa Team C. Time, that's 5:56. Score, 10-6. Rebound by Mr. Wood, intercepted by Lozada. Lozada. What a shot, no good. Lozada, to the ball. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes, sir. Score 8-10 in favor of Team A. Carrera. Intercepted by Mr. Lapis. Time, that's 5:27. 10, 9, 8. Yes, sir. 10 all. 10 all. Score 10 all. Time, that's 5:15. 9, 8. And there's a foul by Mr. Rosales. Mucho. Foul by Mr. Rosada. Sub. Time out by Team C. Okay, pagka 3 minutes, natin technical break para mag-grapple. Montera, rebound. Time, that's 5 and 2. 8, 7. No good. Rebound by Mr. Carrera. Pass to Riponte. No balls. Spin and shoot. Yes, sir. 11-10 favor of Team A. Labis for 2. Yes, sir. Last 4 and 40 seconds. Carrera. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Wow. By Mr. Rosales. Okay, pag 3 minutes na mag-break time for raffle. Last 4 and 33. Score 11-12 in favor of Team C. Ponte. Shoot! Good. Ponte again. Score 12 all. Last 4 and 23 seconds. 10, 8, 6, for 2. No good. Rebound by Mr. Medina. Pass to Carrera. Drive. No good. Rebound. Ay, nasobrahan ng box out ni Mr. Rosala. Last 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Riponte. Pass to Medina. For 1 point. No good. Tayo po dito. Riponte. 1 point by Mr. Riponte. 13-12. Score 13-12. Time last 3:48. 6, 4, 3. Foul by Mr. Riponte. Last 3 and 42. Foul by Mr. Riponte. Score 12-13. Rebound by Mr. Labis. Montera. Wait. Pass to Labis. For 2. Yes, sir! 14-13. Last 3 and 30 seconds. Riponte. Foul by Mr. Lozada. Okay, dead ball. Penalty pero breaks at a break for raffle. Penalty na ang PVC yan. Labis. Rebound the ball by Mr. Labis. Montera. 4, 2, 1. Time. Last 3 and 11 seconds. Out of bounds. sa nagtira. At tagbuhan sa nagtira. So, Carrera. Pass to Puente. Yes, sir. Score, 14 all. Block by Mr. Evangelista. Carrera, no good. Rebound by Mr. Evangelista. Pass, hold. Drive ni Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Mr. Puente. Good. Foul by Mr. Lamis. Penalty. One free throw for Mr. Puente. Time, last 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Score, 14 all. Score, 15-14 in favor of Team A. Montera, for 2. Yes, sir. Last 2 minutes 44. Carrera, pass to Evangelista. Foul by Mr. Navarro. Time, last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Score, 15-16 in favor of Team C. One free throw for Mr. Evangelista. Yes, sir. Score, 16-1. Navarro, pass to Montera. Montera looking for his companion for 2. Yes, sir, by Mr. Montera. Score, 18-16. Last 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Reponte. Speed, pass to Carrera. No good. Rebound by Mr. Carrera. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5. No good. Rebound by Mr. Reponte. No good again. Rebound by Mr. Montera. Last 2 minutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time, last 1 minute and 46 seconds. Score, 16-18. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Score, 16-18 in favor of Team C. Evangelista, foul. Hand check foul by Mr. Montera. Penalty. Foul by Mr. Montera, Montera. Isa pa lang. Ano pa? Penalty na lagi. Score, 16-18 in favor of Team C. One free throw for Mr. Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Mr. Montera. Pass to Labis. Race. 9, 7, 6, 5. Foul by Mr. Reponte. All offensive foul ang tawag kay Mr. Reponte. Foul by Mr. Reponte. Evangelista, pass to Reponte. Foul by Mr. Navarro. Score, 16-18 in favor of Team C. 10 fouls na, so 2 free throws na siya. Offensive to? 9 pa, 9. 1 free throw. Last 1 minute and 26 seconds. Rebound by Mr. Montera. Out of bounds by Mr. Reponte. Time, last 1 minute and 24 seconds. Score, 16-18. Team C. Timeout Team A. Si Team C, wala na timeout na. May 4 seconds. 9. Foul by Mr. Carrera. Wala pa. 1 minute and 19. Inbound by Mr. Lamis. Montera for 2.
Ayan! Makahunong pa! Kumpay siyang labang!
Yan! Foul by Mr. Lozada.
Layo ay! Pakain dyan primero. Dyan na natin ko sa kanya. Lumada.
Lozada. Cuadra.
Oh, wala. Tagak sila. Ilakon. La Lusada.
Carrera.
Dyan.
First throws group. Score 17-20 in favor of Team C. Time, last 1 minute and 12. 2 free throws na. Kay Pulo na sobrahan foul.
Patay.
Chat. Score 17-20 in favor of Team C.
Oh, 21.
17-20 in favor of Team C. Last 1 minute and 12
Dyan.
seconds. Carrera, second throw.
Patay ka
Foul
doon.
by Mr. Carrera.
Oh. Uy! Team Sila dyan.
Wala pa penalty. Warning for penalty. Warning for
Usman,
penalty.
champion
Last 1
na
minute and 10
Usman.
seconds. Score 22-17. Montera. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Bautista. Pass to Carrera. Pass to Ponte. For 2. Yes, sir. Score 18-20. Last 54 seconds. Lavis. Pass to Lozada. 50 seconds. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass to Carrera. 18-20. Atom score. 18-20. 6, 5, 4, 3, 19-20. Montera. For 2. Pass to Lavis. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Game 21 na. Pass to Bautista. Yes, sir. No foul. Okay. Montera. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mula sa Team A.
Gatol, manono.
Ayoko!
Carrera. Reponte. Drops. There's a foul by Mr. Reponte.
Anak! Ala! Ba't yan dyan? 2 points!
Nag-back na. Montera.
2 points lang!
Montera for 2. Foul by Mr. Lozada. Offensive foul by Mr. Lozada. Offensive foul by Mr.
Ang
Lozada.
kuya dyan, times kuya eh.
Wala. Score 1-0. Inside una mga 2 points na O. Last 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Reponte. Pass to Carrera. Spin move. Shoot. No good. Huwag na naman. Pass to Montera. Lavis. Ni Mr. Lavis. Inbound play by Mr. Reponte. Pass to Bautista. Spin move.
Nice rep! Nice rep! Nice rep! Nice rep! Nice rep! You stay! Ah! Yee!
Isa na lang nakaklip yun sa
Jesus!
Carrera. Yes, in. Mr. Lavis. Return, David Ponte. Winner go home.
Na!
Maayo ka man sa Dallas o gusto mo. Okay, free throw Ponte. Pag ma-shot, down.
Allah!
Ponte, free throw.
Galing!
Out of bounds by Mr. Ponte.
Woo!
Time out!
I'm out! Lumiyan mo na.
Okay, mula sa 2A, Carrera. 7,
Out, mangguto.
6, pass to the lista. 6, pass to the lista. By Mr. Carrera, what a game!
Good game! Good game! Champion ang Sydney!
The all